Standing. Attention. Friends, as we know, every morning assembly give us a chance to be changed, to be different, and to be better. So with this wonderful quotation, today I am Raja Singh from class 10th, and today I am here to command this assembly. Classes, stand please. Classes, attention. Stand please. Attention. Friends, as we know, there is a link between God and us. So I would like to call our classmates for today's prayer. Classes, stand please. Attention. Stand please. Attention. Being a citizen of this country, it means to give loyalty. So now I would like to call Tarun Kumar for his oath.
To all of you, myself Tarun Kumar from class 10, standing in front of you for taking oath. Get ready for oath. India is my country. On this I am Prime Minister. I love my country. And I am proud of its heritage. As always, strive to be loyal and what is not it. As also respect my parents, teachers, elders. As also kindness to animal to contain people. I pledge my devotion in the happiness and prosperity. May God alone light my happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Thank you.
Attention. Stand please. Friends, as we know, a motivational thought can change our whole day. So I would like to call Jaya Getwal for thought.
Honorable Chairman, sir, and respected principal man, and all me, and my dear friend. First of all, a very charming good morning to all of you. I, Jaya Kitwa, standing here for my today thought, and my thought is like that. Arise, awake, and stop. Arise, awake, and stop not until the honorable chairman, sir, and respected principal man, and all staff member of Grand Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, a very charming good morning to all of you. I, Jaya Khetwal, standing here for my today thought, and my today's thought is like that. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. I repeat my thought once again. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. I explain my thought in Hindi. उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक तुम अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त ना कर लो. This thought is said by Swami Vivekananda. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Stand is. Attention. Stand is. News is a medium to inform what is going around in the society. So I would like to call Prachi Hetwal for her news headlines.
Morning to Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Ujjain Academy and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I am Prachi, student of class 10, here in front of you to represent today's news headlines. Firstly, the news from international. Russia strikes on Tuesday, targeting the villages of South Ukraine, has also injured 22 people. Now some news from national. Lucknow to be renamed as Lakshman Puri. Yogi Adityanath speaks in a debate. My next news from sports. Yesterday was the Tata IPL match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians. Sunrisers Hyderabad beats Mumbai Indians by 3 runs. Today is the match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Lucknow Super Giants. Today is the temperature of Bageshwar is 19 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Class attention. Stand is. Attention. Stand is. As India, friends, as we know, India is a democratic country. Constitution of India is giving of all the citizens. So please listen carefully the article, and the questions are based on the topic of Indian Constitution.
Chairman Sir, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Ujjain Academy and my dear friends. First of all, a very warm good morning to all of you. Myself, Dhruv Singh Rawat, standing here to deliver the article based on Constitution of India. After India got independence, there was a challenge for our political leaders to run the country by rules and regulation, and maintenance became a problem for India. Till 15 August 1947, the whole country was under the British rule. Suggestion to make the constitution was first given by M.V. Roy in 1934. After the continuous attempts of a great leader, finally in 1946, our Constituent Assembly was formed. In this procedure, many meetings were held. The first meeting was held in 9 December 1946, in which Dr. Sachinand Sinha was the chairman of the meeting. After this, 11 December in 1946, second meeting was held, in which Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the permanent chairman of the assembly. The assembly has many departments, in which particular department has their contributed on the formation of Constitution of India. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to form the Constitution, and finally in 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India accepted by Government of India, and independent India became Republic country. Constitution of India is above every citizen. It gives every citizen equal right. So, as the citizen of India, we should perform our moral duties toward our nation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Stand is. Attention. Stand is. How much attentive you are during the article? So I want to call Bhupesh Singh Hetwal to check your IQ level.
Morning all of you. It's Bhupesh Singh standing in front of you from 10th standard, here to ask you some GK questions. And my first question is for class first. Who is the Prime Minister of India? No, your answer is wrong. It's Mr. Narendra Modi. My next question is for class second. Who is the President of India? Yes, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the correct answer. My next question is for class third. Who is known as the Father of India? Yes, Bapu is the correct answer. My next question is for class 4. Who ruled over India till 15 August 1947? I repeat my question once again. Who ruled over India till 15 August 1947? British is the correct answer. My next question is for class 5th. Who was the first chairman of Constitution Assembly? The correct answer is Mr. Dr. Sajinand Sinha. Dr. Sajinanand Sinha. My next question is for class 6. How many union territories are there in India? Yes, 8 is the correct answer. My next question is for class 7. How much time was taken to complete the constitution? 2 years, 18 months, and 2 years days is the correct answer. My next question is for class 8. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian constitution? Yes, 6 is the correct answer. My next question is for class 9. Who was the legal advisor of Constitution Assembly? My next question is for class 10. When was the Constitution Assembly formed? Thank you, everyone.
Stand in. Attention. Stand in. Friends, we know our junior kids are like rising star. So I would like to call junior kids for reciting poem.
All of you. Good morning, all of you. My name is Nandini Ketwal. From class first, my Hindi poem is 6 साल की छोकरी 6 साल की छोकरी घर कर लाई टोकरी टोकरी में आम नहीं बताती दाम है दाम नहीं दिखा दिखा कर टोकरी हमें बुलाती चोकरी हमको देती आम है नहीं बुलाती दाम है दाम नहीं आप पूछना हमें आम चूसना थैंक यू हैव अ नाइस डे
Attention. Stand in. Attention. Stand in. To give motivational thought, now I would like to call Mrs. Priyanka ma'am.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the teaching staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear students. Today I am here in front of you to say a thought. A thought is like that. There are no secret to success. There are no secret to success. It is dedication, hard work, and learning from failure. It means that if you are wondering that how the other kids are doing better than you, it is simple because they are working for it. Successes belong to those who are passionate, committed to their goals and success. Thank you and have a nice day.
Attention. Stand in. Attention. Stand in. Attention. So friends, we reach end of our assembly. So please utilize your 52 seconds. For national anthem, respectfully and correctly, now start. Stand in. Classes, show your hankies and nails. Classes, stand in. Attention. Stand in. Friends, as we know that teachers are always giving us motivational thoughts. So now I would like to call our principal ma'am for giving some precious words.
Thank you, Raja. First of all, a very warm and healthy morning to all the teachers and my lovely students. Yes. How children? How you all are? Okay, that's good. Okay, students. So as today's my turn to just give the some address and just tell about this assembly. All the time daily, just students want to just listen the response of the head of the institution. That how was their performance. So I would say today it's a good efforts of these students. So they are practicing and just trying to give their best. All the students trying to do this thing. As you know, their practice is also less. Last 10 students, they have lots of pressure of the other subjects, and so continuously their classes are running. So they are not getting the any free period to practice all this thing in the classes. But still, I would say that at home, if the task is provided by the teachers to you, so at home you practice it. Is okay? So already you have aware about all these things. So just try to do the best one. And in that, always I am telling to you in the assembly here on the stage, you require the more energy. Your performance should be energetic. Am I right or not? Okay. So that's why all the students, not these only, but you try to be just give a loud voice. Loud because already you know that is the big ground is here. So if whatever you have prepared here and if not reach to the last corner of the students there, so it means it's not a useful. It's vain. Right or not? So from the tomorrow onwards, every day, so your voice should be loud. Boldness should be there. Friendship should be there. You not should be stuck here. So you present, when you are presenting in any way, your performance and every field, similarly in your academic field also. Now from the next week onwards, your tests are there. In that also you have to show your energy. Energy, how will show in that? By getting the good marks. So nowadays, this week totally it is for your revision works. So I hope that all the students are revising, all the teachers are helping to them revise the courses, syllabus. And so next week, this is your exam is there and your turn is there to show these result. Understand? This revised work will show your result. Clear? So it means that so you have to do lots of hard work and patiently, dedicatedly, you just daily regular your things. Okay? All are getting? And small kids are also getting understanding or not? आप सब लोग को समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोला जा रहा है यहाँ पर क्या करना है आपने LKG UKG स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो हियर आपको समझ में आ रहा है हाँ तो आप क्या करोगे आपके टेस्ट होने वाले हैं ना नेक्स्ट वीक तो आप लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ऑल आर स्टडिंग वेरी गुड ठीक है तो जो भी चीज आपको नहीं आएगी आप अपने टीचर्स से कंसल्ट करो उनसे पूछो और जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और बट एट लास्ट योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एग्जाम आपने करना है और उसको एग्जाम में आपने लिखना है ठीक है तो इसलिए डू बेटर एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर टेस्ट थैंक यू हैव अ नाइस डे
Attention, stand is, attention. Roll number first turning to right about turn. Roll number third turning to right about turn. Roll number fifth turning to right about turn. Classes move in your class.